Hello there, welcome back everybody. Let's create an instant and simple credit roll in Premiere Pro where we will be using a special effect that I'll be telling you about later on to roll the text without having to adjust the position of the text. So to do this, click on Window and then head over to Essential Graphics, which is filled with credit presets and subtitle presets like these. We're going to be creating a credit roll, so click on Edit and then click here. Click on Text to create a new text. Centerize it by clicking on this one and then go under the text layer, and then afterwards set the alignment to center and then click on the Align Center horizontally, just like this. And then reduce the size of the text by dragging the slider here and then type any random name and random role based on the name. Once you're done, deselect the text layer, and then let's say if you want the credit roll to last for 20 seconds, drag your time indicator to 20 seconds, and then hold on. Extend the duration of the length by dragging the end of the layer so that it ends at 20 seconds, and then click on the layer again, the text layer, and then tick the box for roll, which is a special effect because when you tick the box for roll, the text is finally rolled like in a credit roll. So you don't have to do some tweaks with the position, make a keyframe, and then adjust the vertical position to manually roll the text, as this roll effect is already available under Essential Graphics. To make editing easier, you can also adjust the ease in time to, let's say, 3 seconds and the ease out time to 3 seconds so that the credit roll starts and ends in a smoother way. So if we play it, the start and the end of the credit roll will be much smoother. So it starts slowly and then the credit roll runs faster and then it will end slowly as well. That's how you can create an instant and simple credit roll in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching guys, give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day, ciao!